Hey everyone, in this video I will explain how to fix Roblox crash with unexpected error. So please follow the steps with me and let's get started. It's better to disable any third-party antivirus or Windows security on your computer. And also you need to make sure your Windows is all up to date. So to do that, just go to Windows Update, then check for updates manually, and if there is any updates available, make sure to download and install them. And next solution, open up the command prompt. So just go to search and type in there CMD and make sure to run it as administrator. You need to copy and paste all these commands in here one by one. These commands will clear the DNS caches. I will also leave the commands in the video description. After you've done this, then just close this one and open up run. So to do that, just press Windows key and R on your keyboard. Type in run, clean mgr and click OK. Make sure to check all the options in here. Once you're done, then click OK. Once you deleted all the files, open up run again. Type this command sysdm.cpl and click OK. On the top, click on advanced, then click on settings. Over here, select this option, complete memory dump. After that, click on OK. Then it will ask you to restart your computer, so just click on OK to restart it. After you restarted your computer, if the last solution didn't work, then try the next one. Next, we need to optimize Roblox player. So to do that, right click on Roblox player on your desktop, then click on properties. On the top, click on compatibility tab and make sure to check this option. Run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. After that, check disable full screen optimization and run this program as administrator. Once you're done, click on apply and OK. Open up your search bar and type in there %local app data % and hit enter. In here, look for Roblox folder and delete it. So after you deleted the Roblox folder, then open up your browser. So in my case, it's Google Chrome. On the top, click on these three dots, then select settings. On the left, click on privacy and security, then select this one, cookies and other site data. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on see all site data and permissions. Over here where it says search, in the search bar, type Roblox. And anything to do with Roblox, just delete them. We also need to disable or remove any extension related to Roblox. So to do that, just click on extension on the left side. And over here, you can either remove it or you can just disable it. Next, we need to uninstall Roblox from our computer. So to do that, press Windows key and R on your keyboard to open up run. Type in there app.wiz.cpl and click OK. Then the programs and features will open up. So in here you need to uninstall the Roblox player and Roblox Studio. So just select them one by one and click on uninstall. After that, head over to Microsoft Store and try to download the Roblox, as Microsoft Store version is more stable. Once the download is completed, so just click on play and log into your account. If none of the solution worked for you, then you can open your browser, then copy this script from my video description and paste it in here. After you paste it in here, then press enter and select open Roblox. This will run the Roblox for you and it should fix the issue. Log into your account and try, hopefully it should be working fine. And that's all. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider supporting me and subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching.